Now let's see how we can use SQLite3 to analyze SQLite databases. First of all, we have to be sure we're in the right directory where the SQLite databases are stored. Okay, we see that there is the places.sqlite database. Now, if we want to connect, we have to type SQLite3 and the name of our database. Okay, now we have connected to the database. We can see the tables stored. Okay. If you want more information about one of the tables, we can use pragma table_info, and we specify a table. In this case, mods_bookmarks. Okay, now we see all the columns. If you want to select all data stored in the table, we can use select asterisk from and the name of the tables. In this case, mods_bookmarks. Okay, we see all the data stored. That's perfect. If you want to show the URL of each bookmark, we can use the following syntax. Select mods_bookmarks dot title mods places dot URL from Okay. Select mods_bookmarks.title mods_placed.url from mods_bookmarks mods_places, where mods_bookmarks.fk is equal to mods_places.id. This way, we can see also the URL of each bookmark. Okay, you see the title from mod bookmarks, in this case is help and tutorials, and the URL from modsplaces.url. Okay, if we want to show the most visited site, we can use the following query. Select visit_count, URL from mods_places order by visit count desk. Okay. Let's move to the top and we see that metallus.it and These courts, eForensics magazine course Ubuntu Forensics, are the most visited sites. If you want to close the connection to the database, we can simply type .quit. Okay, and we're done.